guys, today we're going to be making a flexagon. It's a simple way to do it. Let's get started. First, make strips on the long side of your paper. You need 4 strips. Now cut them out. Got 4 strips of paper. Take your 2 strips of paper, put them like this. And take your piece of tape and cut a little off. Then tape the 2 pieces together. And trim it if you need to. And now you're going to bend down. And then on the other side. And just keep doing this pattern. Doing it. And then down again, then up again. Keep doing this until your piece of paper ends. Okay. And just tape on the other 2 strips of paper. Okay. Now that that's taped, just keep following the same pattern. Down and then. Should kind of be like a spring if you open it. Let's finish the last part up. Should be like this. Then take one more piece of tape. Okay, one more piece of tape. And then just tape the end to it. Skip it. And take one more piece of tape and tape both of them together. You can just fold your tape and turn it into a double side like this. And just put it on each side. Stick a little. And then you've got your paper fidget or a flexagon. Just keep turning it, and turning it. Well, that's it, guys. Bye.